Hi there, I just give you a few little tips on the perforating on this CreaseStream Deluxe model. There are other videos around, so I won't go into too much on it. I just wanted to show you a couple of little tips on the perforating. CreaseStream do their own video showing how to use the perforator and move it, but they've got the perforating blade on the top shaft, and as you can see here, we've got it on the bottom shaft. There's a couple of reasons I think it's better and easier. If you watch the CreaseStream video, a couple of things that you'll think, you know, accessing this top disc, etc. I won't go into much about the machine. It's a great little machine. It's very versatile, very adaptable. You can have up, down, creasing, positive and negative. You can have perforator tools, slitter tools. So it is a great machine. You can watch other videos about that. But on the perforating side, in the CreaseStream one, they've got the perforating blade on the top shaft. It doesn't matter if it's the top or the bottom shaft. It will make no difference if you're doing card or any thicker paper, because it's quite a lot of body in it. If I can quickly show you here, this is a card, goes through, no problem. It wouldn't matter if it was on the top or the bottom shaft there. But it will, in the real world, where printers and copy shops have to do all sorts of stocks, if you're doing, in this case, 80-gram paper, quite a common one to perf, just to show you, it will wrap round. You can see there, if the camera comes in, it's sticking to the perf blade, which is no good. You can get, as an optional extra, this little perforator stripper, which just magnetises on the bottom there. And what that will then let it do is peel off. So if you're doing thinner papers, 80 gram, 70 gram, NCR papers, you can see there it comes off lovely, much simpler. So that's one benefit of doing it that way round. The second benefit I'll show you is this little sacrifice disc here. But when you get them new, they come like this. And you just go along, use it all up until it's all damaged. You can see the difference when I get it off between the new one and an older one. So what we can do to remove it, just move the collar out the way like so. And what I tend to do, where the little split is, if you grab the split there, you can pull it off like so. It's just a tight ring. So it comes off like that. So that's one that's been used, and that's a new one. Just to fit the new sacrifice ring, or in this case I'll just put the other one back in. There's a couple of little tips I'll show you. So we've got the lock screw there. If we just turn that round to face away from us before I put this on, like so, and if we come back, the reason is the join is there. And what we want to do, another little tip, when you pinch it together, but if we undo the second one, push it all nice and tight, do the lock, and then we can do the second one up there that actually moves it. It's just a little bit easier doing it that way. If we want to move the perforating position, undo the lock, the two locks, you can just slide it along the shafts nice and simply to reposition, you know, wherever you want to go to really, and lock them back up. So it's quite easy. Replacement perforating blades, if you do damage your blade, they're available off our website. You can order the blades or the rings, or any of the tooling is all available. If you have any questions, please do contact us at Chilvers Reprographics, either by phone or email. The machines are available to order online, as are the parts.